Good morning, children. How are you all? Here is your educator, Divya Miss. Children, today in English, we will start our new chapter, The Red Raincoat. The Red Raincoat. Children, do you have a raincoat? Okay, what color of a raincoat do you have? Here is a story about red raincoat. Whose raincoat is this? It is Manu's red raincoat. Okay. The story is written by Kiran Kasturia. Okay. Children, first of all, let's do this warm-up exercise. We wear different kinds of clothes in different kinds of weather. Yes, if it is a winter, right? Nowadays winter is going to come. Okay, what we will wear nowadays in winter? We will wear sweater, woolen cap, muffler, scarf, hand gloves, etc. Right? Okay. Write the correct words from the box under the pictures. Now look at here the pictures. It is a picture of a summer season, right? So we feel hot. We feel hot in summer season. So it is hot. We will write hot. What do we wear in this summer season, children? We wear cotton clothes, right? We do not like to wear full sleeve shirt or full sleeve t-shirt or full length pant, right? We always wear shorts, waist, cotton clothes. We like to wear cotton clothes because we feel hot in the summer season. Now, this picture shows us rainy season, monsoon. So we will write rainy. And we wear raincoat, gumboots. And it is a picture of a winter season. We feel cold. As I said, we wear sweaters, scarf, hand gloves, woolen cap, etc. during the winter season. Okay, so the topic is red raincoat, right? We can understand. When do we wear raincoat, children? In monsoon. In monsoon, we wear raincoat to protect ourselves from rain. Okay. So, it is a story about red raincoat. It is Manu's red raincoat. Okay. We will read the chapter, children. But before that, check out this story about red raincoat. Okay. Listen this story. Read the sentences and understand and enjoy it too.
The Red Raincoat. Author Kiran Kasturia. On Sunday, Manu's parents got him a red raincoat.
Ma, may I wear it now?
Asked Manu.
No, my dear, the rain is near. But just now, the sky is clear.
Said Ma. Monday was bright and sunny.
Mummy, will it rain today?
Asked Manu.
No, Manu, not today. If you wear your raincoat, you will look quite funny.
Replied Ma. On Tuesday, the sky was blue.
Ma, when will my wish come true?
Asked Manu.
Not today, my dear. There is just one white cloud in the sky,
said Ma. Wednesday was hot. Manu asked his mother.
Ma, why doesn't it rain?
Son, I think it will rain very soon. Maybe even before it is noon,
said Ma. On Thursday, Manu went on a picnic.
Ma, what if it rains? Shall I take my raincoat with me?
He asked.
No, my dear, it will not rain today. The little white clouds are too high in the sky,
said Ma. Friday was cloudy.
Ma, will it rain today?
Manu asked loudly.
It might, my dear. There are some dark clouds low down in the sky,
said Ma. Saturday began with a bang. Kaboom!
Ma, is that thunder I hear? Will it rain very soon?
Asked Manu. And then, at last, it started raining.
Oh, it's raining, it's raining,
sang Manu, running out.
but Manu,
Called his mother, running after him.
you forgot your red raincoat.
Enjoy the story, children? Very good. Now we will read the chapter. And as I always said, we will underline the new word. So keep a pencil with you. Okay, we will read the chapter now. On Sunday, Manu's parents got him a red raincoat. Underline, children, raincoat. It is a new word, so we will underline it and we will learn it also. Ma, may I wear it now? Asked Manu. What happened, children, on Sunday? On Sunday, Manu's parents got him a red raincoat. Look at here. And Manu asked his parents, Ma, may I wear it now? No, my dear. The rains are near. But just now the sky is clear, said Ma. Manu asked his mother, Ma, may I wear it now? What did her mother reply? Her mother said, No, my dear, the rains are near. But just now the sky is clear. If the sky is clear, there will be no rain, right? Monday was still bright and sunny. It means on Monday there were no rain again. On Sunday, no rain. On Monday, no rain. Monday was still bright and sunny. Now, rest of the chapter we will read tomorrow.